AEHR stock currently trading at $16.01, a gain of 35.91%. 56.7 million shares have crossed the tape in this session of the 24th of September 2021. 24.169 million shares is the figure for its shares outstanding. The float could be less than that, so you can just easily see what's going on here. The stock is strongly bullish. All the moving averages are sloping bullishly upwards. So this is where we were. This is where it closed as at the 23rd, and suddenly spiked up now 30% on some fraction. 52-week high was reached today. Okay, and its outcomes are expected on the 6th of October. The stock is definitely strongly bullish. The fundamentals are probably of have impressed a lot of market participants, and it does actually consolidate somewhat. You see, it did consolidate, and the 10-day moving average was caught up with it. So yes, let's see what's going on the live session. This is the daily model. Let's look at the live session, 1 minute live session for AEHR. Okay, on the 1 minute live session, it is mixing things up just slightly above its 200-day moving average, so it's consolidating right now based on what's going on live. And let's look at let's look at the 30 minutes, see what's going on. It's still very much bullish, so this sideways movement hasn't lasted that long. It hasn't lasted that long yet. So let's return to the daily model. Yeah, we have a volume of 56.92 million shares now going on. RSI strongly bullish. It's over 70. It's at 84.45. Momentum as well, very strong. So well, you can see what's going on with the stock. Hasn't really had this sort of huge spike of late. Has not really had it. A gain of this. Graphically speaking, we could be wrong, but maybe it may have had. Okay, let's see. It was just a 1-day spike. Okay, let's see. Yes, it was sometime in July. It was a 1-day spike. So it went from 334 to above 6. So that's, yes. So it has actually seen this sort of spike before. So yes, expect this stock to pull back, and if it pulls back, just leave it to consolidate somewhat. There's every chance it will continue to extend further. Easily the fundamentals look like right. The signals are flashing bullish, but at the same time some other signals are saying sell. So this is what you have to bear in mind. Okay, it appears to be a strong bullish trend. Its 200-day moving average is upwards sloping, and the MACD histogram is above zero and rising. Last 10-day volatility is 133.26. So the price target is $12 based on Reuters estimation. Okay, momentum. Okay, this stock is overbought based on the 14-period slow stochastic oscillator. Okay, this means that investors have been actively purchasing shares and driving the price higher. Okay, unbalanced volume indicator is bullish. The slope of the indicator is positive and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. So just be really careful with the stock. If you want to get involved, you can always ignore what's going on and buy means. If you want to get involved for the long term, yes, easily I think the stock looks like a stock you need to have for the long term. So let's see whether there's any news concerning AEHR. Yes, there's some disclosure here. Let's see what it's saying. Okay, it's an annual general meeting. Okay, invitation. So just yes, it looks like the fundamentals. We have not done any due diligence, but going by what we're seeing graphically, it is definitely a stock worth putting on your radar. Easily. There's something right about the company, something right about the stock. So just continue to observe. But right now, if you want to make money right away, maybe not. There's a good chance it will retrace. So see what you make of AEHR, and thank you very much for watching this video.